Hi, my name is Christian Debo. So today I'll be showing you how to use Google Slide to make presentations. So if you look at the screen, this is a normal Google Chrome web browser. So if you look by the right side, you will see dots where you click and you will see apps, Google apps. So from this section, you come down where you will see slides. So you click on the slides. So 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 it's going to open up this page for you. So depending on your screen, if you had anything already existing on your Google slide, it will show like this. So so what I have here is this. So if you look here, you will see create new. So let's just quickly go to create new. So as you can see, it's loading. So let's hold on for it to load. File, edit, view. So all these things you are seeing here are where you can make some changes or edit depending on how you want it to make it look like. So first of all, this is the first page, the first slide. So on this slide is where you're going to add your title. So let's say you want to make a presentation for how to cook. Sorry. So I'll say by this. So now we can decide to change the theme. So we have a variety of themes here, depending on the one you like. You can decide to leave it to be the way it is. So we have so many of them. So here uh, I'm going to choose this one. So you see it has automatically changed the font color and every other thing. So so this is our first slide. So we'll come down to this place. We can right click and say new slide. So it's going to bring out this new slide. So normally when you are doing a presentation, I'll advise you always start with introduction. So introduction. So introduction. So you put in whatever you want to do. So you can say cooking started from creation of kind. So so depends on your research about cooking. So you put in everything you want to write about the cooking. So the next slide is going to be, you can still use this option to say insert new slide. So so your next one is, let's say you have to use as so you write everything that has to do with, right. So depending on what you are presenting, for example, so you know how you are going to do it. So by the time you finish everything, now you want to do a presentation, so you just simply come here to slideshow, you click on it, and so this is it. So you can do this as a presentation to your students, to your workplace, and any other place you are going to be presenting. So you actually use the arrow button to move back and forth, like I'm doing it now as you're seeing it. So so that's just it. So So we're actually going to use exit to come out from this place and come back to the normal view. So another thing I also want to share with you here is how to share. If for example you want to share this particular slide with someone before you start presenting, you can just come and save. So here you can actually add anybody you want to add. Let's see, sorry. So you can add any other person. So once you add, if you look at this drop down, you see editor. So you can decide to make this person editor. What it means is that this person can edit, he can touch what you've actually done here. If you just decide to leave the person to be a commenter, the person can only comment. If you decide to just give the person only viewer rights, so that's what the person is going to see. So if you still decide to send it to the person, it will go to this particular email. Once you click send, it will go to this email. But I don't want to send in this case. So or you want to copy the link and send to the person through WhatsApp or through any other means, you can just copy and send. So here I'm going back. So because I don't want to send it to anybody, so that's why I went back. So that is just it. So there's another general access which you are seeing here is being restricted now. So what is saying only people with access can open this link. So but if I want to make it general for anybody to have access, I can just say anyone with a link. So by the time I just click on done and I select any of these, that's how it's going to apply to anybody that has this link. So that is just it. So but because I don't want to do that, I'm still going to leave it to be restricted. So that's it for now. So that's it. So if you look at here, you can go back to home. Then here you can save, you can import, you can make a copy, you can share, you can email, download, so many other things you want to do. So under edit, you can still do copy, paste, cut, redo, undo, and other things. So this is the view. It's under view that you will see. If you want to make it a bit more lively, you can use motion. So all these ones I'm going to do it in another class. So I don't want this class to be long. I just want it to be a, a very very brief class. So 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 that's just all for now. So if you like what you just watched now, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button. Anytime I update a new video, you'll be notified. So thank you very much.